Students, today you will learn how you will find direct and inverse proportion of the given question. Question is this: if y varies inversely as 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 5 when x is equal to 3, find a part y when x is equal to 17, b part find x when y is equal to 7. So one by one you will have to find the steps. So first of all you will write down the formula, which is y is inversely proportional to 1 over 2x plus 1. This is a symbol of proportional. So you have to solve it. It is, you can solve it, you can say it also k. So y is equal to k over 2x. First of all you will find k, then you can find the value of y and value of x. So I will put the value of y and x which are given in this first step. So y is equal to 5, k you have to find it, and x is equal to 3 plus 1. 5 is equal to k over 2 multiplied by 3, 6 plus 1. So 5 is equal to k over 7. Now you will do the cross multiplication. Over 1 you can write it. So k multiplied by 1 is equal to 7 multiplied by 5. So k is equal to 35. So now you will put the value of k in this formula. Y is equal to, instead of this formula, k is equal to 35 over 2x plus 1. Now we have found the value of k, and I have put the value of k in this equation. So now you will have to find the value of a and value of b one by one. First of all I will find the value of, I will do the value of y. Y is equal to 35 over 2x plus 1. You have to find the value of y when x आपके पास 17 है. Y is equal to 35 over 2, 17 plus 1. Y is equal to 35 over 2 times 17 is equal to 34 plus 1, which is equal to 35 over 35. You can cancel it, simplify it. So y is equal to 1. Now you will do the b part. Now you will find the value of x. Take the original formula, which is this one. Y is equal to k over 2x plus 1. You will find the value of x. So 7, y is equal to 7. 7 is equal to k over 2x plus 1. Do the cross multiplication. Now you know the value of k is equal to 35, so I am writing over here 35 over 2x plus 1. Do the cross multiplication. 7 will be multiplied by 2x plus 1, which is equal to 14x plus 7 is equal to 35. So 14x is equal to 35. Here is plus 7, on the other side it will be minus 7. So 14x is equal to 35 minus 7, 28. So x is equal to 28 over 14. 14 times 1 and 14 times 2 is 28. So x is equal to 2. So value of x, answer is equal to x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is called the inverse proportion.